Welcome back to Miss April's English. Today, we're going to be looking at more action verbs, specifically using them in sentences. Let's get started. Sentences with action verbs. We're going to go through several examples. She is singing. They are dancing. They are eating. She is swimming. He is running. They are climbing. She is jumping. The baby is crying. He is swinging. They are cooking. She is listening. He is laughing. They are reading. He is throwing. She is typing. They are shopping. They are playing. They are talking. Way to go. Keep practicing. Subscribe, like the video, and thanks for watching. See you next time on Miss April's English.